Welcome to this week's Fighting Scots Sports Report. I am Tyler Trumbauer. The track and field team competed in what was the closest the Scots will come to a home event this outdoor season in the SRU Open at Slippery Rock on Thursday. In total, 5 Fighting Scots earned wins on the day. For the men, Chuck Ivey and Corey Weefing finished first in the 400 and 800-meter dashes, respectively. Also, Deontay Powell took second in the 100-meter dash. For the women, Allison Gibbons and Becca Bond earned first-place finishes in the 400 and the 800, respectively. In the field, Bree Dietrich took first in the long jump. The track and field squads have a busy week upcoming, as they will compete in the Kutztown Maltese on April 9th and 10th before splitting up on Saturday, April 11th. Some Scots will compete in the Bucknell Distance Carnival, while others will compete in the Westminster Invitational. The women's tennis team was in action twice this week, once on campus and once up at the Racket Club in Erie. The Scots fell to 12th-ranked California 9-0 on Wednesday. Boro's Julia Hellstern had her hands full at the #1 singles as she battled Kiefer Shaw of Cal, who is the 23rd-ranked women's singles player in the ITA national rankings. Edinboro battled Slippery Rock on Thursday at the Westwood Racket Club in Erie due to the rain. SRU edged the Scots 5-4, dropping the ladies to 5-8 on the season and 0-2 in the PSAC. Rhiann Baldwin and Katie Allen notched the 2 singles victories for the Scots, while Hellstern and Lydia Brown won at 3 doubles 8-6, with Edinboro earning another doubles win by default with an injury. The ladies hosted Mercyhurst today at 3 p.m. and visit Clarion on Wednesday and Seton Hill on Friday. The men's team had its weekend matches against Bloomsburg and Kutztown postponed and rescheduled for April 18th and 19th. The team hosted Mercyhurst Tuesday and hosts Roberts Wesleyan on April 13th. The women's lacrosse team had a tough week, facing off against a tough Indiana University of Pennsylvania squad and a nationally ranked Mercyhurst team. The Fighting Scots fell to IUP 12-9 early last week. Anna Purdy and Sydney Risco led the way offensively, with Becca Martin tallying 4 assists. On Saturday, 8th-ranked Mercyhurst got the best of Boro 10-6. Purdy and Rachel Olson led the team with 2 goals each. Jenna Schlagenhoff scored 5 of the 10 Laker goals for Mercyhurst. The ladies host 16th-ranked Seton Hill on Wednesday at 4 p.m., which can be seen live on ETV, before visiting 19th-ranked Bloomsburg on Saturday. The softball team saw its doubleheaders against Clarion and IUP get rained out this past week, but it was able to get its games in against Seton Hill. Kind of. The Scots completed Game 1 against the Griffins with an 8-6 win. Boro led 4-1, but let Seton Hill climb back into the lead as the Scots were in front 5-4 after the 5th inning. However, Brooke Callaghan knocked a 3-run home run in the 7th inning to give Edinboro the lead and eventually the victory. 7 innings were played in Game 2, but that is as far as it got as the game was halted before heading into extra innings tied at 1. That game resulted in a tie, and that will go in a tie in the record books for both squads. They will meet later on this season for a regularly scheduled doubleheader. The ladies were scheduled to visit Slippery Rock for a doubleheader on Tuesday, and then have 5 straight home doubleheaders beginning on Friday against local rival Mercyhurst at 2:30. That's all for this week. Be sure to follow us on Twitter at ETV Sports to stay up to date on the latest Boro athletic happenings.